A set of remote control wireless sockets allows for controlling electric equipment through a radio signal. Such sockets are indispensable at home, office or country house. The principle of operation is simple. When you push the button on the remote control, it transmits signal at the radio frequency of 433.92 MHz to switch on, off a socket. Each socket is programmed for one of 8 possible signals. All you need is just to set a serial number for each socket and plug electric appliances that you want to control. The socket set may include up to 8 sockets. Besides, you can control any number of receivers through one channel. To make operation easier, we can connect additional remote controls. So now you know about remote control sockets that are extremely easy to operate. You can switch on, off, lighting or other electric appliances lying on the sofa or sitting at the desk without the need to actually stand up from the sofa.